Now, let's talk about the party experience, because I think a lot of people are saying, yeah, Chris, I understand I can go out there and sell a product and make money. So if it's one product, if it's a bundle of products, or more expensive, you understand 40% is what you're going to be at. All right. Now, let's talk about the party experience. Let's talk about that, you have 6 customers at a party. Each customer buys $100 from you, okay? Which is $75 is pretty much the average that you'll run into at a party. Some people will spend well over that $75 average. But what you have to understand is that's $600 party that you have, right? So let's say you have 6 people at $100, or you have 8 people that are at $75. You get the same result, which is a $600 party, okay? This is what you're shooting for, is that $600 party average. Inside of what we follow, what we track here at Pure Romance, $670 is the average. So it's a little bit below, right? But I want to set that expectation a little bit lower in the beginning. So when you take a look at this, when you're starting off, pretty much you're probably at that 40% buying discount. So every time that you do a show, right, you're going to go out there, you're going to do your show, that when you sell $600, that means $240 is what you will have that's coming back into your pocket from the party, okay? So what I want to make sure that you understand is that's an important knowledge to understand, that you have this $600 show, you have 40% that you're making from the show, right? And from that point, you'll have a couple of expenses that are going to come up. Some of the expenses that you have are, catalogs, maybe a hostess gift, items like that you're going to want to make sure that you give away to your customer. So that, we look at that it's $2 per person, right? So if you take the 6, all it is that's $12. So you look at this and say, okay, what does that look like, Chris? Well, that's $228 is what you're going to have when you really kind of break it down after you do a $600 show.